Keep yourself sane. The only freedom you have to fulfill our fight. It's a perfect world. He's got a perfect mind. He's got a perfect way to leave it all behind. Ooh, it's a perfect mind. Ooh, it's a perfect mind.
Good evening, Teddington. Are we all feeling incredibly silly this evening? Thank you very much. Well, welcome once again to the biggest accident that rock and roll has ever seen. Doctor and the Medics. And you and I together, drowning in a sea of